So today we just had a problem with a Breville coffee machine where the seal under here has blown out. So lots of steam coming out. It shouldn't do that, making a big mess. It's a very simple fix. I have a $5 seal from eBay. I bought two of them for $10 delivered, so not an expensive fix, a lot cheaper than throwing your machine out. And it's going to take us 2 minutes, and that's all. Right. Now under here, we need a Phillips head screwdriver. Got a Phillips head. A little stumpy one's the best because you don't have a lot of room to work with. I can't even see what I'm doing. All right, so just unscrew that. Might get a bit of water dripping out. And nearly there. There we go. Alright, so that's what it looks like underneath the machine, and this is what it looks like here. We've got the little filter plate, and underneath here there's going to be, the machine's quite hot, I just made a coffee, so I'm putting my hands into burning shit. And oh, up there is a seal. It's just being a bitch, there we go. So I'll show you the two seals. Old broken one, and all the edges here, you can see how rough that is. It's very, very rough, so it's all the silicon's fallen apart. And this is the new one, nice and pretty. So all we've got to do is get our metal filter plate, and the seal goes behind, so on top of where it's screwed in. I'm just stay on. Alright, so something like that. So now we have a new seal around the edge. It was a little bit fiddly compared to the old one. It wanted to roll off the whole time. So we'll give it a test. So old seal, you can see how damaged that is. It's just torn. So that blew out just this morning, but I actually repurposed this one and put it back in, but it's totally knackered. It's pretty hard to see, but that is just bits and pieces probably in someone's coffee. Appears to be working. It's very tight and it goes pop. So it's got a good seal, so I think that's it. It's a pretty simple job. $5 eBay parts and you're done.